How's it going, guys? This is John Timothy Gallardo, and today I will perform our Summative Assessment 2 in Digital Electronics 2.
Instructions: submit the blog of your created application for the digital input and digital output for the PIC microcontroller utilizing the MCC and MPLAB XIDE. It must show how the hardware works based on the created flowchart and source code submitted in the lecture subject. Now here are the materials needed for our summative assessment. For this summative assessment, we will use the MPLAB XIDE and MPLAB XIPE applications. We will use MPLAB XIDE to create the program and MPLAB XIPE to install the program. Now let's start. Create a new project, select microchip embedded and standalone project. For the device, use PIC 16F18875. Next, use XC8 as the compiler toolchain. Name the project Summative 2. Then browse your desired target location for the project. Click Finish. After the loading is finished, click Tools, Embedded, then select MPLAB Code Configurator. Click the output under port B1, 2, and 3. The oscillator select should be H-pin TOSC, the HF internal clock should be 4 MHz, the clock divider should be 4, and the low voltage programming enable should be checked. Then add the timer 0. Go to pin module and set their custom names. Uncheck the analog. For timer 0, check the WPU. Then click Generate. After generation is complete, go to Project, Summative 2, Source Files, then Main C. Now let's type the code. After typing the code, click Build and wait for it until build successful. Now we will connect the PK3 and ICD2 with the IC to our personal computer to install the program. Now open the MPLAB XIPE to install the program. We can see that our PK3 is recognized by the application. Click Connect. Click OK. After connection is successful, go to Settings, Advanced Mode, enter the default password. Go to Power, set the voltage level to 3.125. Power target circuit from PK3 should be checked. After that, go back to Operate and browse our hex file. Now here's our hex file. After hex file loaded successfully, click Program. OK. Now that programming is complete, we can now disconnect our PK3 to get our IC. Now let's create the circuit. Now here's the result. Old 1 peso coin. New 1 peso coin. Old 5 peso coin. New 5 peso coin. Old 10 peso coin. New 10 peso coin.
And that concludes our summative assessment 2. See you guys next time. Goodbye.